occur. Let us try to understand the hybridization in ICl5. In ICl5 molecule, there is iodine and chlorine atoms. Iodine has atomic number of 52 and chlorine has atomic number of 17. This means there are 52 electrons in iodine and there are 17 electrons in chlorine. The outermost electronic configuration of iodine is 5s2, 5p5, 5d0. Where chlorine outermost electronic configuration is 3s2, 3p5. If we consider the bond between iodine and chlorine atoms, which are 5 in number, is essentially covalent, there will be sharing of electrons. That means there will be 2 electrons shared between chlorine and the iodine. Like that, there will be 5 bonds having shared electrons. As iodine is central atom, we need to first consider the ground state electronic configuration of iodine. In ground state, we have 5s, 5p and 5d orbital. There are 2 electrons in 5s orbital. There are total 5 electrons in 5b orbital, and in 5d orbitals there are no electrons. The electrons in 5s orbitals are paired and electrons in 5p orbitals, and there is 2 pairs of electron in 5b orbital and 1 electron is unpaired. As there are 5 chlorine atoms in ICl5 molecule, the filling of electrons happens according to the Aufbau and Pauli's exclusion principle. As there are 5 chlorine atoms which needs to form a bond with iodine, iodine required 5 unpaired electrons. We can do this by exciting the 2 electrons which are paired from 5p orbital to 5d orbital. When we excite the electrons of 5p orbitals to 5d orbital, then we have an excited state of iodine, and we have 3 unpaired electrons in 5p orbital and 2 unpaired electron in 5d orbital. In hybrid state, 1 5s, 3 5p orbitals and 2 5d orbitals will combine and form hybrid atomic orbitals. Thus we have a hybridized state of iodine in which, as there are 6 orbitals of equal energy, it is sp3d2 hybridization. Out of this, there is 1 lone pair and 5 bond pairs. Thus we have a bond pairs and a lone pair in ICl5 molecule. Let us now see the structure of the ICl5 molecule. As there are 6 pair of electrons around iodine, we can consider this as AX6 type of molecule. AX6 type of molecule has octahedral geometry. So there are 4 X atoms in the plane and there are 2 axial X atoms. So all these X atoms are at equivalent position. As ICl5 is having, instead of 1 X, a lone pair, we can substitute one of these X atom by the lone pair. as we know, the bond pair lone pair repulsion is greater than bond pair. This lone pair will exert a repulsive force on all these X atoms which are there at the planar position. Thus, in ICL5 we have a distorted octahedral geometry which is square pyramidal structure. देव बरे करो.